So we're starting off today's video a little bit different. The actual video will begin in maybe like 2 minutes, but there's something that I really wanted to talk to you about. And I don't know how to approach the subject because I've never had to do anything like this, but I tell you guys everything. I tell you guys the good and the bad, and this involves a very close personal relationship of mine. And I felt like it's fair to you guys because she's been on the vlogs, and also it's fair to Tessa. So Tessa, my girlfriend, obviously you guys know Tessa. About a month ago, Tessa and I, we did break up. We broke up about a month ago. It was a mutual decision that we both decided to go our separate ways. Nothing bad happened. There's no drama whatsoever. Tessa is an amazing woman. She is kind and caring and compassionate. She's so talented. She's an artist. She's beautiful. And I have nothing but great things to say about her. And sometimes relationships last forever, and sometimes they don't. They last for a year, and it doesn't mean it was a bad relationship or wasn't meaningful or I don't care about her anymore. It just didn't work out for the long term. I still care about her. I still consider her to be such a great friend. And breakups are tough. Like, it's tough for me. It's tough for Tessa. I wanted to share this with you guys to let you know what's going on. But please, please, please respect Tessa's privacy. That's really my only big ask. Like I said, nothing bad happened. There's no negativity. There's no drama. We still have a great friendship back and forth. It just didn't work out. I also really want to thank Tessa's mom and dad and her sisters and her older brother for taking me in as part of their family, because obviously my family's in Oregon, 1,000 miles away. And so having like a Utah family meant everything to me. Always watching Oscar. Good stretch, bud. Good stretch. So I do want to thank them. Having a relationship on social media is hard. Obviously, Tessa is my first social media girlfriend, first breakup on social media. Obviously, I've had girlfriends in the past. I guess it's the end of a chapter, and who knows what the future holds. And we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to vlog. So today, boys, we're drag racing, we're roll racing the Bugatti Veyron against a bunch of crazy modified cars out at the racetrack. Now, the Veyron does have the Rift exhaust. It's not really modified per se, and yes, I am making excuses right now before we even head out there. More than likely, I'm going to embarrass myself. I guess you might say my reputation precedes my get caught. So a quick update on the Liberty Walk Aventador Roadster. So the car is being painted yesterday, the day before. It's also being painted today. There's 47 pieces in total. Once everything is painted, it's got to cure for maybe 2 or 3 days, and then we can start piecing the car back together. That should happen maybe on Thursday or Friday or Saturday or Sunday. Remember, overpromise, I keep saying it wrong. Under promise, over deliver. I gotta go, dude. Okay, be a good floof. Be a good boy. Give me a paw. Come on, good boy. Good floofy. Your puppy sitter is gonna be here in like 5 minutes, okay? Okay, bye. I love you. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, that's so sad. There's just something right about seeing a smart car outside Berlacker's house. So obviously we're gonna park just, you know, front and center, as you do. 55, 55. That's not 55. Oh, brakes. There's a crosswind right there. Goodness. We got car spotters everywhere. What is he doing? He's out in the middle of nowhere. Like, we're in no man's land. And round 2. Go. Baby. Oh, she's getting angry. Okay, so that's 850. We're gonna tune her up to 1001 soon. Welcome here to Utah Motorsports Campus. We got the stars and stripes, baby. I would like to take a quick moment to apologize to Josh and Mikey. We are 20 minutes late. There was a driver's meeting at 5 o'clock that we missed for the roll races. But like, look at this guy right here. He's got 3 wings on his car. You don't need any more downforce than that. Mikey. I'm trying to sum up today's activities. We have no idea what we're doing. We arrived 20 minutes late. We missed the driver's meeting. I don't know. We're doing roll races, quarter-mile roll races. I think you just pick a competitor and go. But I don't know.
I mean, you're in the gravel to start, so.
We're not off to the best start. We're just dumped here in the gravel right now. We got 2 Dodge Rams getting ready to roll right now.
Yeah, Josh,
do you think you are? Oh, there's Josh. Bro, I'm coming for you, boy. Look at those trucks go. They're hauling, so we have all sorts of competitors. I'm trying to decide who could I actually beat. I'm gonna get embarrassed. I'm in the Bugatti right now, but like that Golf R, he'd smoke me.
Race a Mustang.
Bro, I don't want to crash. He's gonna crash into me.
You'll be fine.
No, we're going down. He loses the back end. Boom, boom, boom. Lots of carbon fiber everywhere. Never seen before. He's hustling. Look at that.
I'm gonna call you out. You want to race?
Let's do it. You just smoked that 720 though. What was that all about? If anybody knows this, Burlacker knows this, I could really use a practice run because intelligence-wise, IQ-wise, I could, yeah. I don't even know if that'd make a difference though. Did I just see you with a bag of ice?
No. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you were dehydrated. Is that what it was?
I'm so dehydrated and I got a cooler. I just had
Oh, yeah, the cooler, yeah. This is like cheating right here. You got Mickey Thompson's. Look at this. This isn't even, this is, I got Pirelli nonsense.
No, what are you talking about?
It's nonsense, bro. Here we go, fellas. I'm just waiting for the send-off. I got clammy hands right now, which is not gonna help me out. Josh is looking so smug. We got Burlacker filming right there. Oh, I think we're good to go. All right, so we gotta be at 40 miles an hour, and then we wanna roll. And go. Come on, Bug, let's go, let's go. Yes. That's a W! That is a W right there! Who knew? What happened? Did I cheat? I wonder if I cheated. I have no idea what just, I was supposed to take the L. I was expecting 3 L's. Josh is the nicest guy ever. I don't know if I can rub it in his face, but I have to rub it in his face, but I don't know if I can. I'm gonna try my best to rub it in his face. Bro, you didn't have to let me win like that. What happened? Did you forget the gas?
Dude.
Did you hit the brake?
Really?
What actually happened?
You're gonna do this right now? So how you feeling about the Supra?
I feel pretty good. He's obviously a better driver than me. He's smarter than me, but it's a manual transmission, so there's got to be a little small chance of error.
He spec'd that thing out nicely too. So
I know.
He knows what he's doing.
And go! Yes! Yes, go! Go, Bug, go! That's 4 turbos, that's 1,001 horsepower! That is 140 miles an hour! Winner, winner, chicken dinner! Yes! This Bugatti is fast! She's fast, she's no slouch! I can't believe I'm doing this! I'm 2 for 2 right now! I don't even have to do this! I'm gonna race this GTR and I'm gonna get smoked, but I'm gonna do it because everybody wants it. It's got like 900 wheel horsepower on low boost. He's gonna turn it up and we're gonna see his taillights. If Stefan was here, he'd be really smug.
Off the record, how do you think it's gonna go?
I'm gonna lose.
Okay.
On and off the record, I'm gonna lose, bro. Go! No! No! What? Look at that! That's ridiculous! We just got hammered! That's a fat L! Oh my gosh! We just got destroyed! We just got destroyed! Whatever he's done to that GTR, I gotta do to my GTR. That was insane! I just got annihilated. He told me 900 wheel horsepower. There's no way. That car must have like 14 or 1500. I just got dumped. Like, I just got dumped. What did you do to that car? You lied to me. You told me 900. That car's got way more than 900. She's officially a used Bugatti, 23,000 miles on the nose.
So loud.
I tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, each and every day Utah is just flexing on the nation. Niagara Falls is gorgeous, Yosemite National Park is gorgeous, but I would reckon the Texas Roadhouse here in South Jordan, Utah is just as beautiful. Well, we've had a long, arduous journey. We took a couple L's, a couple W's, but we're taking the biggest W of the day, the Roadhouse W. Oh, gosh. Well, I don't know how to say this. Roadhouse was amazing, like 10 of 10 amazing, but we have some bad news on the Bugatti.
Wait.
Yeah.
Do we need a tow?
Yeah, we need a tow. Sorry, bro.
Hey.
No, hey, no, no,
Yeah,
no.
see,
Are you
bro.
kidding me? He's just gonna abandon me?
Me and myself.
In my moment of
we're going
need?
home.
This guy. But actually, seriously, that's leaking a lot of oil. And it is a new day. Good morning to you all. You're all looking gorgeous and lovely, and it's a gorgeous day here in the beautiful state of Utah. I'm being all sappy this morning because we have some very, very, very bad news. So the oil leak off at Texas Roadhouse was a little bit disconcerting. The car did leak at the Provo Mall. I've been wanting to organize transport to Southern California to fix the car. We did that. The truck's gonna be here in an hour. I'm filing bankruptcy later this afternoon. But unfortunately, when I wake up this morning and walk outside, we have what appears to be a second we have a second puddle. I'm the first to admit I'm not a mechanic by trade. I also don't study oil samples, but that's a lot of oil. To sum up the issues on the Bugatti, we have this major oil leak up front. The car does have 10 radiators. The other leak at Texas Roadhouse was right underneath that section. Is it one major oil leak, or are they two separate issues? I don't really know for sure. So the car is headed down to San Diego in an hour. This repair bill could be $5,000, or it could be $45,000. And on that glorious bombshell, I'm excited to announce we have a really cool sponsor of today's video, Raycon and their wireless earbuds. If you guys have never tried the Raycons, you gotta give them a try. They're disrupting the electronics industry. They've developed premium wireless audio for half the price. Like the sound quality, the durability, the practicality, the compactability for half the price. They're truly prioritizing the customer from start to finish. And Raycon was actually co-founded by Ray J. Other celebrities like Snoop Dogg and Mike Tyson are also obsessed with the Raycon earbuds. They offer 6 hours of playtime, seamless Bluetooth pairing, more bass, and the compact design makes for a really comfortable noise isolating fit. And Raycon also has a 45-day return policy. So if you don't love your Raycons, you can return them. You're not going to because you're gonna love them, but if you wanted to, you could, because they have a 45-day return policy. And Raycon offers their wireless earbuds in a bunch of different cool colors and patterns, a variety of fit sizes to fit all ears. There's no dangling wires and no stems. I use my Raycons every single day. Sitting in a quiet airport, editing the vlog, boom, Raycons. On an airplane, the grandpa next to me is snoring, boom, Raycons. I love listening to my favorite music. The sound quality is incredible, and I'm hooking you up. BuyRaycon.com/Stradman. 15% off your very first set of Raycons. Guys, check it out, link below. You guys might remember back in October, I shipped the Veyron down to San Diego for its big annual servicing. That cost me like $32,000 just to ship the car one way. One way is $1,500, $1,500 back. So before the guy can even diagnose the car, you're already at $3,000. Before he even sees it, we're at $3 grand. So chapter 7 or chapter 11, that's the question. Of course, I'm being sarcastic. I'm not gonna have to file bankruptcy, at least I don't think. That's the key word. I don't think. The car could be gone for 2 weeks. It might be gone for 2 months. I really don't know what the issue is. It could be something simple and minor like a gasket, or it could be like a head gasket, which is still a gasket. Anyway. 23,033 miles, John. On time, every time. What's up, dude? Well, you sure hate to see her go, but goodness gracious, do you love to watch her leave. That purple is just popping right now. This might be the last time we see the car this entire calendar year. I've heard horror stories of Bugattis needing service, needing parts for like a year. So, I don't know. Maybe it'll be back in 2 weeks though. It sounds so good though. I'm hoping with the service I get a free car wash because it is covered in filth. Goodness. I'm sure you guys can't see this, but I can look under the undercarriage. It is like oil stained galore. That's not good. That's not good at all. Sit in. Hey. Safe travels. Hey. And there she goes, boys. Goodbye, Bugatti. I hope we see it this summer. And I think that's going to effectively end today's video. All that's left of the Bugatti is memories of being destroyed by a modified Nissan GTR and a bunch of oil-stained cardboard. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.
If you're out of wings, or if you're out of potato skins, then just scratch it. Actually, you know what? Cheese fries. Cheese fries? Yeah.
He's changed his order like 15 times.
Or just the cheese fries appetizer? No, just cheese fries.
Yeah.
And the chicken fries.
Every time. It's like this every time.